Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing? Today I'm going to do a gutter cleaning, residential, and a pressure washing the pool case and a pool deck around here in Ponta Gorda. So you can see here I'm in the roof right now. See me here, it's pool case. I'm gonna show you what they got going on their gutter. So I'm gonna turn my camera around. You can see here right here. It's a lot of debris right through there, and they have a metal roof here, and I am prepared for use my shoes for this one. I did not wear my rubber shoes today. I know that I have a metal roof. I'm wearing my boots. Hopefully it will have grit on me here. So, but you can see what I'm doing right now. The good thing is they only want me to clean the back side, the gutter. I mean, yeah, the gutter in the back side of the house, and after that, I'll be doing the pressure washing in this pool deck here. Yep, that's what I'm going right now. So I hope you guys well too. Doing great for you guys today. So you guys need the gutter cleaning, window cleaning, pressure washing at this time. So this again, summer and spring, and a lot of cleaning time. And if you guys own a solar panel, did you guys know that your solar panel have to be have a maintenance too? The solar panel needs to be cleaned at least twice a year or every 6 months. Twice a year, so to boost your energy, because if you haven't been cleaning solar panel, people sometimes get it. And there's a tendency that your solar panel it's not 100% charging energy, so paying you more. So yep, you should expect supposed to be an investment that you put a solar panel in your home, but you have to be cleaned too. So yep, and then solar panel cleaning. So that's right, guys. You guys have a great day, and comment below whatever you think, and pass this video of mine. I appreciate it. So you guys have a great day. God bless.